I see.
Right, opening a 151 bundle. 3 packs of Journey Together for me. Silver Tempest, Mystery Pokemon box or bundle thing. Prismatic Evolution Booster Bundle. Oh shit. Shout out to Poke Degen. Poke Degen OC. They hooked us up with this pack right here, this 2 bundles. The Prismatic Evolution Super Premium Collection. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, this is our hollow. Next. What's that? Oh, whoa. Whoa. We got 2 Scarlet Violet pack, Obsidian Flame.
I don't have the
Ooh, Darkrai. Not bad. Not bad so far.
Something shiny.
Olive. What the fuck is that? Silver Tempest. It's been a bust, guys. It's been a bust. Chin Chow. Ooh!
Damn. Oh, bud.
Oh! Prismatic Evolution Booster Bundle. Chin. Whoa! Whoa! Trainer 4. Trainer. Ooh! You see?
Just leave it closed, bro. So, honestly, just sell it.
Oh, this is hard.
Whoa! Whoa, what's this?
Lugia.
Whoa, Lugia!
Lugia EX. Wait, that's Lugia EX.
That's good, right?
That's Lugia EX.
Good.
Whoa!
They call the random girls FaceTime all day.
Again? Whoa! Another Airy trainer. In the class.
Oh, finally Umbreon. What? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, Teal Mask.
This Charizard 4.
Oh, Charizard 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, Blue Watch you. Watch game.
Ooh,
Oh, the.
Ooh. What is that? Venusaur?
Is it douche? Ooh. Fuck that. It's cool.
Hey, we need lunch back on.
Oh, I got another one of these.
Just wear this garage opener. No, don't put it there, don't put it
Ooh.
there.
Go crazy.
Ooh.
Come on, Gobi. What are you guys doing with all these cards? Oh my god.
Wait, I see a card.
I see it.
Dugong.
Oh my god. Too much hand. Jigglypuff.
That's the expensive one. That's the expensive one. That's the expensive one.
Wait, the Aerodactyl right here too.
Expensive one.
Wait. Take that shit off the EV one. Fuck the EV one.
Wait, there's still hell no fucking
Wait.
Yeah, go get it from up there, dude. You have this though?
Wait, you see that one?
Alright, do you have this?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where's
It's
Johnny?
all bum.
Johnny, come upstairs.
It's all bum.
Tell Johnny I appreciate this.
It's all hollows.
6-hour shift on DoorDash. Put it all on.
What he got?
Put it all on.
I'll just tell him thank you for this.
Hello?
All
I
hollows.
just got it right here. Alana poured it for me.
All hollows.
She poured it for me.
All hollows.
I don't know. She's giving me it.
I feel like the only hit we got
She's
was
giving me
like
it. So tell Johnny thanks.
these one, bruh.
We'll see what other cards he's
This
got.
one right here.
Espeon,
This one.
Prime Catcher, Hydrapple.
God
Why does he
damn.
have apple?
I might be lucky.
God damn.
Lionel,
God damn.
Eevee.
Lugia.
Hey.
God.
Eevee